Greetings to respected teachers, students, and all the people watching. I, Barika Khalidi of second year BSc Computer Science, would like to convey my sincere thanks for the wonderful felicitation program that just took place. It was truly inspiring to watch the participants get the recognition they deserve for the noteworthy achievements. The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom into the future. This reminds me to now call upon a teacher to enlighten us with her words. With immense pleasure, I would now like to take the privilege to ask Mrs. Jagruti Jadhav Ma'am, Coordinator of the Computer Science Department, to present us with a valedictory address.
Good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of Zagru Singh Charitable Trust, Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, I, Jagruti Zadhav, Coordinator of Department of Computer Science, feel privileged and honored to conclude the event of one-day national conference on the topic how IoT has changed the world in the valedictory function. The event is organized by IQAC in association with Department of Computer Science and Information Technology of Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai on 26th day of November 2021. National Conference is a platform to bring forth the ideas, visions, and propositions of researchers, professionals, academicians, and detailed insight into the topic of discussion. It was an effective platform to share their knowledge and ideas. National Conference provides great opportunities for those working in the higher education to connect with colleagues and to focus on shared interest in both the research and practice of teaching and learning enhancement. To summarize IoT in few lines, we can say that Internet of Things is the concept in which the virtual world of information technology connect to the real world of things. The technologies of Internet of Things such as RFID and sensor make our life become better and more comfortable. Whole world is marching towards the innovation and IoT plays the major role in this aspect. I take this golden opportunity to thank our honorable chief guest, Mr. Yash Singh, who is the founder and managing director of Greycast Founders, also director of Amar Founders Private Limited. The Computer Society of India goals to meet the growing demand for qualified professionals in the field of information technology. I am also very much delighted to thank our keynote speaker for the national conference, Mrs. Asmita Deshmukh, who is Assistant Professor of KC College of Engineering and Management Research, Thane, for enlightening our learners and all the delegates present in the event with her immense knowledge on IoT and encouragement for the research. I congratulate to our budding learners and researchers who pour their untiring efforts in framing the research paper and presenting in the conference. National Conference is the platform wherein all the technical community come together and exchange their research ideas. I take the opportunity to congratulate all the winners of the National Conference. I also congratulate all the organizers of the conference who worked hard to make this national conference happen. On this positive note, I end my valedictory address. Thank you.